Hi guys, this is Tahir. Today I will show you that how we can install Active Directory on a fresh system. Before we continue with the installation, first we should make sure that proper host name has been assigned to the system, which we can do it from my computer and check its property. I have given the name. The second thing is we need to verify that static IP is binded in the network card. After making sure these two steps, we can continue with the installation. If you come to the search window, you can just type server manager. Click add roles and features. We will select this option, Active Directory Domain Service. It will take a while to complete the installation. The first step of the installation, step 1 has been completed. Now we have to click promote this server to a domain controller. You can click on it. Okay, there you can see multiple options. If you have already running a domain controller or you want to add any additional or secondary domain, then you will select this option, the first option. But since this is the first installation of the domain controllers, we will select the third option, add a new forest. Give the root domain name. As per the requirement, I will say dc01.lab2020.com. Okay, on the next screen you can see forest functional level. Select the operating system that should be able to join to your domain controller. 2016, 2012 version. So I will select 2016, that minimum this operating system should join my domain controller. Insert the password. Okay. NetBIOS domain name. This will be the account name, the domain account name which you can use with the account to log in into the system. For example, dc01/Tony or dc01/Michael. So this is the final step of the installation. Once the installation has been complete, then the system will reboot and your domain controller will be ready to be used. So we'll click the install option and that's it. It's very simple. Okay, so we have received a restart. The system will restart, and after reboot I will show you about how we can log in the system, and I will show you the domain controller. The system is back after the installation. Now let's try to log in with the domain controller account. I will specify the NetBIOS name, DC01 administrator. We will insert the password. To open the domain controller interface, we can type DSA dsa.msc. If you want to create any new tenant, you can simply create a new organizational unit. For example, name, Contoso, and you can create users, etc. from this interface. So this is it. This was basically a very basic installation step for the beginners, how to install Active Directory in their test lab. I will use this Active Directory machine to show you in another video that how we can synchronize attribute from one on-premises Active Directory into another Active Directory which will be considered as a totally different site Active Directory. So thank you for you guys for watching. Bye bye.